My family, and then the ordinary type of family. Them Jamaican, but them can get a little bit aggressive by asking all these questions.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
It's not gonna be okay.
Chad is going to be fine.
If you would understand my parents right now, they're like a dog in kennels where you throw one piece of meat and they attack like and get all that. You're about to embark onto something. Alright, you think we're gonna be okay? You watch
this. We are going to be
you watch
okay.
this. You think I never tell you? I told you. I told you. Mommy! 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 Mommy not there. Mommy!
Dirty boy. Hello.
Hi.
Who are you?
Merle! Daddy! Daddy! Oh God, Daddy, long time to see you though. This is Daniel.
What you doing at my house? You always bring them dirty girl and come at me yard. Me not
My
understand you.
girlfriend wants you, Daddy, wants you, man. And she's the one.
Boy, move fast. You said about the last one. Merle! Merle!
Listen! This is my jazz!
Your jaws.
This is my jazz!
Something nice. Nice. Your jaws, Merle.
Oh my Lord, this is Chad.
It's gonna be a part of the family because sooner or later they're gonna have a couple kids,
Exactly.
right? Have you look at that guy?
Yes.
No, when you were a little kid, you know, they have a little stumpy, you know.
We had to, you remember, we had to bring him to the doctor.
Yeah,
so
them couldn't
he wasn't fully formed.
Yes.
So he probably hasn't told you the story, but as a child growing up, his little thing, it wasn't fully formed.
Yeah,
the doctor had to attach.
It was
extra.
And that's why earning the genes, right?
Well, which gene?
No, wait.
I get it from my father.
Well, you don't look like me. You don't look like me. His thing was deformed.
Like this. It's like this.
Where did he find somebody like you?
I drug him, I don't.
I should have.
I never
Fuck,
really
so
just dirty, nasty boy. But tell me pissing sheet and you piss up on your little boy and it's something that's up. I hope you don't have to do his laundry, you know, because when you talk about shit stain, you know, I not talk about no goat.
So why you have to embarrass me like that? Why you have to embarrass me like that?
Don't let the
It's
poor
not
girl
embarrassment.
Don't wear no white underwear.
Oh.
The tea done.
The tea done.
Because I never go to shop and buy no sugar, you cheap bastard.
So why crackers?
No, I'm buy you up, you know, wow.
Where crackers?
So hold on. Daddy,
Yeah.
me not just give you $500 last week.
Oh, what?
You give me
Me
$500.
not give you $500 last week.
I should have knocked you upside the head with this.
You give a tree goat dead last week and I buy a feed.
The goat them dead? You them Merle. You never name the goat them Merle.
How which good? Not tell me a Billy.
What you been doing in your life?
With my life, Daddy.
Yes.
It's kind of embarrassing for telling you what I do.
What you do?
I'm a groom.
Where you groom?
What
I groom horse.
So you move the horse shit?
Yes,
Jesus Christ.
So me
I don't know how shit.
Very
I never said I go to school, but I never said I go to school.
I still give you $500. What you do with it?
You look like you had me and the shit too.
9 months.
Can't believe. You alright, Merle?
Blood pressure, you know.
You alright, Merle?
But don't call me up, man. I'm a son of a horse shit.
Jesus Christ, Merle. No, Merle.
You feel blood clot there.
I got tired, missing my face.